of the management and staff of Kita Kids Tagarituga. We are Rakata Band, back to back with DJ Sugar and Mama Tabi also. We would like to greet a happy birthday to Miss Vilma! Happy birthday! Ayan, we wish you all the best and we wish you have many more money more birthdays to come. And Vilma, once again, happy birthday!
Happy birthday to
Sarap naman ang cake.
Kainin po kayo yung isa.
Sa ating